mirror of the wall, what is the fairest storybook of them all?
The answer is Snow White, a classic storybook that entertains, educates, and inspires children through every page.
Now I'm going to explain about the story overview, which is about Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs is a classic fairy tale about kindness, jealousy, and courage. The story follows Snow White, a beautiful and kind princess who lives with her evil stepmother, which is the Queen. The Queen becomes jealous because her magic mirror tells her that Snow White is a fairy in the land. Filled with envy, the Queen plans to get rid of Snow White. To escape the danger, Snow White runs into the forest where she meets 7 friendly dwarfs. The dwarfs welcome her into their home and protect her from harm. However, the Queen discovered that Snow White is still alive and disguises herself as an old woman. She tricks Snow White into eating a poisoned apple, causing her to fall into a deep sleep. In the end, true love and goodness overcome evil, and Snow White is safe. And story teaches us that kindness, honesty, and bravery will always trigger over jealousy and heartache.
This story goes beyond entertainment. It teaches children about true kindness, the heavy consequence of jealousy, and the emphasis of the deep importance of teamwork and friendship in their everyday lives.
Nowadays, many children spend their time on screens, but what is the best way to improve their imagination and reading skills?
Snow White storybook is the best solution for children nowadays. It combines entertainment and valuable in life and also beautiful storytelling.
Looking for a book that your child will never forget? Snow White brings magical adventures, memorable characters, and life lessons about kindness and bravery. One book, endless imagination.
So why we choose Snow White storybook?
Fun and engaging story. As good moral value.
Great creativity and imagination.
So if you are looking for a storybook that is fun, educational, and full of magical adventure, Snow White is the perfect choice. Open the book, discover the magic, and let Snow White inspire young readers today. Get your copy now.